Welcome to a tutorial video on server-side PHP. In this video, I'm going to talk about server output. When we're using servers and running PHP in the server context, any of the output we've normally written to the console or to a file is written to a web page. That is, all of the output is redirected to the server end. That means when we do something as simple as right here on line 4, echo hello world, we're actually routing to a web page. And that allows us, within this context, to embed PHP with an HTML page and use it to write dynamic content using the power of PHP in a server context. So we see right here on line 4, I mentioned I'm using echo hello world. Underneath that it says print hi planet. These are just two examples of what would normally be written to the console or to a file will be written to a web page, or that is, to the server output that will become the web page. And we can see that right here. If I go to Packages, PHP Server, Start in Project Root, we notice right here it immediately opened a new window, and we see Hello World, Hi Planet. And that's exactly what we expected to see, and that's the server output. So when we're using PHP on our server side, any of the server output, anything that would have produced output to the console or to a file, is written as server output. That is, it allows us to write to whatever output is going out, in this case the server, which then becomes content for the web page. This is a very important concept when working with PHP in a server context, and it allows us to dynamically create pages because we can write the content in real time. Once the code runs, it can produce that content, and then that content will become the static content for the web page, allowing us to make calculations, change material, and in more complex settings, work with things like the server side, do server-side requests, work with cookies, and do anything that would happen before the HTML would be outputted, calculate all of that, put it in the HTML, and then send it to the user. This makes it very powerful when using PHP for a server-side programming language, allowing us to write things and use the code to change the content that will be sent to the client. Thanks for watching.